Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in our Reddit account. So if you want to log in your Reddit account, first of all you have to open up your Reddit application. So before proceeding, please like and subscribe to our channel. And after opening your Reddit account, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on your profile icon, tap on sign up or login. So after tapping on sign up or login, tap on already a Redditor login which is on the bottom. And after tapping on that, you have to enter your username in the first blank and then enter your password in the second blank. So after entering your username and password, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, you can see you have successfully logged into your Reddit account. So this is how you can log into your Reddit account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.